First log into your Google account and then search for Google Cloud Console. Then go to the first link that comes up. This is the screen that comes up if you are using the Google Cloud Console for the first time. Then go to the three-line icon and select APIs and Services. After that, go to Credentials. Here it says to view this page, select a project. Thus, click on the Select a Project button. Since there are no existing projects, go and create a new project. Click on New Project. Name the project whatever you like. I will name it as Targlow. Then keep the organization as default. Hit Create. Now search for YouTube data. Select the result YouTube Data API version 3 that comes up like this. Now you have to enable this API. Click Enable. Again, go to Credentials, click on Create Credentials. Choose API Key. Copy the API key that is generated on a notepad. This is what you need to enter at the registration. At the moment, this API key can access any API service on your account. To make it restrict only to the YouTube API that we enabled earlier, go to the API key. Scroll down. Under API Restrictions, choose Restrict Key. Then select the YouTube Data version 3 API. This is the only API that is needed in the registration process. After that, hit Save. Again, go to Create Credentials. Now select Auth Client ID. When you create the Auth Client ID for the first time, it will ask you to create the consent screen. Click on Configure Consent Screen. Go through the steps as following and finally hit the Back to the Dashboard button. Then, under Scopes, click on Add or Remove Scopes. It will show you a screen like this, and you need to specify 3 scopes in here. These scopes are mentioned on our Resources page under Account Creation. So I will go to our resource page where the scopes are mentioned, and I'll get one scope at a time. Copy the first scope and paste it in the search bar, like this. Select the first one that comes under the results. Do the same for the other scopes as well. Once all the scopes are selected, click Update. Then click on Publish App. Click on Confirm. After that, again, go to the Credentials. Choose the application type as Web Application from the drop-down. I'll name it as Targlo. You can pick any name you like, then scroll down. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, click on Add URI. Enter the following URI that is being mentioned in the video description, as well as on the resources page of our official website, targlo.live. Once everything is done, click Create. Then from the pop-up window, click on Download JSON. This will automatically download a file that is needed to be uploaded at the registration under Client Secret file. Now that you have got the developer API key that you saved on a notepad and the client secret file you downloaded, you can complete the registration and use our application.